好。
Now we also have a small warehouse in the end of the passage, and you can see. And on the right side, we have some stock parts for ATV, dirt bike, of the engine and plastic covers. And for the green one, this is for 110cc over 50cc ATV, and the blue one, plastic covers. And these are for the engine parts of 110cc quad. And you can see we have the brake line here, brake level, and 125cc engine, 110cc engine for the dirt bike and ATV. And for these two racks, we have all the parts of the engine and plastics for Rally, the second version of Rally-Shotgun. This is the headlight component, and tuning light, winkers, and mudguard or front fenders. We also have the through the cable and the rectifier